In this video, I'm going to show you how to change stroke thickness in Illustrator. And there's a lot of benefits of learning how to do this. This precise control over stroke thickness really allows you to direct viewers' attention and really create some visual hierarchy. So because some thicker strokes can highlight important elements. So now let me show you what you have to do. We're gonna go here and grab some circle ellipse, hold shift so it locks in. Now here we're gonna go here and disable fill and add some stroke, but now we would like to increase the stroke because we don't have the stroke is not thick. There's actually multiple ways. One method is go here in appearance, and here you can see stroke, and then you can add some thickness to your stroke, and as you can see we have some thickness from here. You can also do it from here. You can also do it from here, Windows and appearance, and then here you change stroke from here. Okay, but now why, or maybe you may ask, how can I change the stroke only for a specific path, only for, let's say, this anchor? Let me also change to 10 about. So you're gonna have to go to here, it's called width, or use the shortcut here, and if you hold shift plus W, that's the shortcut for width. Also, if you have other options here, but now if you select this and you drag and drop, just drag, click and drag, you can add thickness, which is really cool. You can also intersect here and then add here, or decrease thickness or increase thickness, and you can create really interesting forms. Look, you can create something really interesting, and that's how you add thickness to only a specific part of your path. You can add an anchor point, you can increase the anchor point here, and like this you can do it. And I hope you found this helpful. Now make sure you stick around because I'm going to share with you some Illustrator tips at the end of this video, which is not really the end because I want to expand this so you can I can provide you with more information that I hope is going to help you to learn Illustrator faster. Now we are going to create something very nice. So we're gonna grab this rectangle tool from here, and now we're gonna click one time here, click or enter or type 180 by 180 and press OK. Now here let's change this and add some red here. Now we can expand this, and if you want to be more precise, you can add again another rectangle, and 150 by 350 now, and let's press select here and press click or Control C and then Control F, which will paste it right in the front. Now we have another one here. It's good when you rotate to hold shift. Now select the other one, rotate, but hold shift as well. Now let's also round this. And what's cool about this, that you're actually, while you're doing this, you're also make sure you're selecting both of these shapes. And then you're gonna have to click on here, shape builder, and here hold Alt here, because you can remove these parts. And what I said before is that this way you can practice using shape builder, using Illustrator, and creating a heart at the same time. Now all you have to do is just drag a line like this, and now you have a heart, as you can see. So it's a heart. And this way, by using this, you can learn, as I said, using the shape builder, also rectangle, maneuvering different shapes to create something with the shape builder. I hope you found this helpful. Now let's move on to the next one. Now I'm going to share with you a very helpful trick in Illustrator, and which is, let's say now we have this, let's say I go here, reflect, and then let's say I have this here. Now I select and press Ctrl plus G to group. Now I go here and add actually a stroke and move, increase now this stroke, can move this up here, and now you add a stroke the entire group, or you can even add more here, and we group, we add a stroke, okay. I think this is very helpful, and just have to remember, this can be very helpful in multiple situations. You group multiple objects, then you add a stroke. In this case, let's say I have overlapping shapes. Hold Alt and duplicate. I'll duplicate this as many as I want, many times I want. Now I group something, and if you don't group, you want to add only a stroke only to the outside part. So I group everything, selected, group, and now I done again another stroke, and this is a huge stroke. And you see you have strokes around here, but if you grab it from here, grab it and drag it all the way down here, now we have the stroke only outside. So now I can increase this, and as you can see, it's only outside. Another shortcut that saved me a lot of time, and I hope you'll find this helpful, that I'm sharing with you some tricks and some shortcuts after I'm showing you the tutorial at the beginning of this video, and then I'm actually showing some shortcuts. So I hope you find this helpful. So what I'm talking about here is you want to duplicate this. So I'm duplicating this, Control C, Control F, so I put it in front, and now I want to repeat the same action. So what I have to do is to go to here to object, transform, and transform again, and now it's just repeating the same object. Now let's say I have this here, and I just duplicate. Now I go here in object and transform again, and it's repeating the same object. But why go here and transform when you can use the shortcut Control plus D? So transform, Control plus D, and now that's what you're doing.